Hello, all my crafting friends. Happy Monday. Welcome to another Makeup Monday where I have a very cute, simple card for you today. And it just takes a few supplies, but I think it turned out really pretty. The star of the card is the Frames and Flowers 12 by 12 Specialty Designer Series paper. And it has these very gorgeous frames and different cutouts in here. And then it also has some DSP that is double-sided. And I made a card a few weeks back that used the same pattern of paper. So it was one that where you could see both sides of the paper. And so today I've got a very quick card that takes minimal supplies to make a very cute happy birthday. So what we need to get started for this card is a base card that is petal pink, and this is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a couple pieces of pretty peacock. I have 1, 2, and each of these are 5 1/4 by 4. And then for the basic white pieces, I have 2 pieces that are at 5 inches by 1 1/4. Here's another 5 inch by 1 1/4. Then we also have this piece right here, and this is for the inside, and it's 5 inches wide and 3 3/4 inches high. And then with our pieces of DSP, I like this one because I had several different colors. It has the green and the pretty peacock, and the little bit of the pretty in pink, not pretty in pink, petal pink, sorry. And then I think that's a bit of pumpkin pie on that pink. It looks more coral, but I believe it's supposed to be pumpkin pie. And this piece is 5 inches long by 1.5 inches tall. And this one here is a 1/2 inch by 5 inches long. And then they have some other little pieces in there that are little embellishments. And so what I want to do is grab a pair of scissors. And I'll need my dimensionals, and then I've got my pretty peacock ink pad here. And I'm just going to cut around this floral image and try to cut away any of that stem. So like that. So I've got this piece and then this piece. So those are our pieces there. And I'm bringing in a stamp set that is Unbounded Love, and it has all the different fonts, and then it's got oh gosh, it's just got all kinds of sayings here. Hope, love, faith, peace. You're a true blessing. Celebrate. Hello. You are love. Friend. May all your wishes come true. With sympathy. Just for you. To you and yours. Have a blessed day. So it covers a lot of different things. But we're going to use this happy birthday down here in the bottom. So I'll set that off to the side. And we will get started making this card. Like I said, it goes together pretty quick. So what I want to do is take my piece of basic white here. I'll scooch that up there. And I'm going to add it to my piece of pretty peacock. And I have a Stampin' seal here. I usually use glue, but I have been trying to step outside my comfort zone, and I'm using the Stampin' seal. It's a love-hate relationship with it, so I'm just going to center this on this piece right here. It's a very nice glue, but I have a tendency to get very whenever I'm trying to break the glue strand, I pull it off the thing, and so it's a me problem, not the glue problem. But then I'm gonna go across here and try to go straight as I can across. Kind of stop at the end. And I'm gonna take this piece here, and I know that it looks like the fern and different things are going up. So let's just kind of lay that across. Kind of like that. And then we'll put that on the inside of our card base. And little tip, this is your valley, and this is the mountain. So it's raised up. So this is embossed and debossed. The side that's the debossed, you want to fold away like this. And line up my edges here. Sometimes I use my score board so that I've got two straight edges, so I can make certain I've got it straight. Got some black embossing paper apparently on my desk. All right, so now then I'm going to add this to the inside, and that gets quite a bit off my desk from the beginning. Yep, see right there, I pull it off because I get a little rambunctious with it. So I'm just going to center that on there. That's the inside. So that's really pretty. And now we're going to work on this part. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is take my first piece and open my ink. Bring in my happy birthday stamp. Ink it up. And then try to get it as straight as I can. Hold it for a moment and left. Okay, so that'll be our sentiment. Close my ink. Finished with that. So how I do this is I put glue on the top, and then in the middle, and I leave this little section. I don't know if I can get it to where you can see it or not, but anyway, I can't. There's a little section right here that has no glue on it. I don't know how to, the light's not shining off of the glue very well, but there's, I put a stripe there, and then one in the middle, and then right here it does not have any glue. So I'm gonna try and line that up here with equal at the sides and kind of at the top. So like that. I'm not pressing it down real hard yet. So then I'm right there at the top maybe. So then this, I want it to be going in this direction. I'm going to add on the edges of this piece like that. And then I'm going to just kind of slide it up underneath there and try to line it up. So the equal edges here and up underneath there. And I can press those down like that. And I'll take in my happy birthday one and add it to the edges of this. I just needed to have this one where I could slide up underneath of it because it was the one to start getting this straight. So then I can come down here, and as long as I overlap that DSP, we are good. And that looks pretty straight. Press that down. And then I will add this to my card front. What I do like about this is that it's quiet, and it is, once you stick it, it is adhered well. So I'm going to line that up on here the best that I can. So like that. Okay, so now then I have our last two pieces here. Grab my dimensionals, and on the back of the one with the flowers still on it, I'll turn it over. I'm going to add 3 dimensionals like that. Bring it in here like this. Kind of like that. Then bring in my tape runner again and add it to the back of this, and then just tuck it up so that you can't see that jagged edge. So just tuck it right up underneath there. Kind of like that. So there's our card, and then to add it just a little bit of extra to it, I have my spritzer bottle with my alcohol in it, and I've told you several times that I just put a little drops of my Wink of Stella down into the tube, like probably 6 drops. Then I fill it up the rest of the way with alcohol, not clear to the top, because then when you put the little spritzer part down in there, it would leak out. But you fill it pretty close to the top, put your lid back on it, and shake it. When this runs out of alcohol, the neat thing about doing this is you can fill it up with alcohol 2 or 3 times, and it has residue of the Wink of Stella in there. And when you really can't see it very well on your card in person, then it's time to add more Wink of Stella to this. But what I like to do is, here, I'll bring this in, over, lay that down, and hold it back just a little bit and spritz 2 or 3 times. And it gives it a really pretty little shimmer. And you can see the cast off spray on this, where this is shimmery now, and I can take a tissue and just wipe that off. I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there we go. We have our one that I made ahead of time, and then this one right here. You can add some bling to it. You can leave it just like this, quick and simple. I like quick and simple cards for sending, I like to send cards, and I'm trying to get better about it. When you make cards, for your business, and then you don't send them, that's not good business. So I've been trying to send more and more cards, and people are starting to notice the homemade cards. And so I like quick and simple so that I can make multiples and have them ready and on hand. So I have these ready probably for a couple of lovely people in my church. So I want to encourage you to just grab a few of your supplies and make some quick and simple cards. It doesn't have to be real intricate cards, and this looks like it is, but it's just quick and simple. So thank you for joining me for another Make It Monday, and I appreciate your support of joining me with my channel and giving me the feedback. That's always appreciated. The thumbs up that you give me for when you like one of my videos. So if you like this card and you like this little quick and easy version, then give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think of it. So happy stamping, and Have a great day.